It is essential for any backend developer to understand the difference between service-oriented architecture, model view controller, and, for example, the singleton pattern in design. What is the distinction between these concepts? Where they are used, at what level, and in which stage? Hello everyone, I am Mikhail. I am a Java instructor. This video is about how we will teach architecture to you. I had a strong desire to record this video intro, which you are currently watching, to explain how we will understand all these topics. Let's take a look. The first tab is the level of essential knowledge for backend developers at various levels, which is available in both English and Russian. Let's see. The new intermediate level. We naturally focus on level 2, so here you can find all the topics that are essential for you. Whether you want to advance in your career, or perhaps you feel you lack some knowledge, or maybe you're wondering what you should learn, or whether you should start a career, you can see it here. So, file number 2. This is in both Russian and English. Let's take a look. Here is our complete program presented. So, first, what is application architecture, and what are its different types? Let's take a look at service-oriented architecture, microservices architecture, and so on. We will see what we are going to do. We will start with the first topic, which is application architecture. The first subject is monolithic architecture. I will make a video on this topic. So, it will be either one video or multiple videos. I don't know how this will turn out. And that's how we will learn everything. Friends, that's all. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. There is a lot of work to do, and I hope that by the end of the entire course, you will have no questions regarding backend architecture. Please like and subscribe. This will be an additional motivation for us to create even higher quality content for you. Goodbye.